is day 4. We're getting ready to get in here and check for this queen, but right now I'm going to start this smoker. These are acting like I'm going to need a little smoke. Take some dry grass, put it in the bottom, real loose. Don't need a whole lot. This paper right here is used up foundation paper. Between every piece of foundation, there's a piece of paper. This has beeswax on it. It's real nice to start a fire with. Roll up a couple pieces of this, put it in here. Done lost my lighter. Happens every time. Okay, well, I light that piece of paper I put down in there. Put some more paper in on top, loosely. And we'll go in here with some of this grass. Shut this smoker up. Hit the bellows on it a couple times. Get it going real good. Alright, we're ready to go get in these hives. Let me finish suiting up. Let's get in here and see what these girls have been doing. You hit them with a little smoke from right here. Let's take off the inner cover. Oh, they're building home up here. That's what I was afraid of. Okay, they started building comb up here. That's what I did not want. Okay, this queen is out, so we're going to have to be very careful. To make sure all these bees that are on this comb stay in here. I'm going to have to take this comb away from them. Not that I want to. This right here, guys, is what they can do in 4 days. Making sure none of these are my queen, because if they were, I wouldn't be knocking them off of here. Pretty sure she's down there in that bottom. That's where the majority of the bees are. These are worker bees right here. This comb right here, they've already started putting honey in here. These guys are working on cleaning up these frames pretty good. Really trying to see the queen. She may be on here, so it looks like a pretty heavy one.
Usually she's on. Usually she's got a lot of attendant bees. Yeah, that's a drone. He's big. There's a couple drones in there.
Okay, and we'll turn it.
Okay.
Oh, she's not on there.
Well, let's just put these extra frames on and let them go for a couple more days, okay?
Okay. Where's my box? I've got all that comb out of there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some frames in here to keep that from happening. I've got ones with new foundation. They're going to go to the outsides. And I've got some from last year. They have comb already drawn out. That's one. And then I've got this plastic frame. I usually don't use plastic foundation, but this time we're going to go ahead and put it in here because it's what I have on hand. And we're going to space this out. You don't want them quite touching each other because they will stick them right together. Alright, this is where they were building that comb down. Need to take that off. That right there, guys, is pure honey. They're running out of there. I might chew on that a little while later. Put this inner cover back on. Outer lid back up. We're done in that hive. Alright, hive number 2. I have a feeling this one's not going to have done as much as the other one. This hive is not as active as the other one. We'll hit them with some smoke anyway. What the smoke does is it'll drive them further down in there. What they've done is they've attached this
still in there?
queen cage. And she's out. Those are worker bees in there. She's down in here somewhere. Get all these bees out. I'll just sit it over here, see if they'll crawl out. Yep, there goes one. And there's the other one. Now that queen cage is right above these two. So my best guess here is she's going to be in here somewhere. Okay, she is not on there. We'll just carefully sit this right here. You have to be very careful not to squish any bees. They are drawing out the top of this frame. And honey, can you get you see that honey in there? Alright, let me look on the back side of this frame. attach that frame over here. This one's heavier with bees.
I think she's down in there still. Let's just put the other frames on and box them up. How about that?
You push that. No, you don't have no. Alright, we're going to do the same thing here that we did to the other hive. We're going to give them more foundation up top.